and sound, I wondered what colors make up black. Here's an experiment I came up with to show what I found. Take a water-soluble marker in black and draw a circle on a piece of filter paper. Fold another piece of filter paper several times to make a wick. Take a sharp pencil and make a small hole in the middle of your filter paper. Take your wick and place it in the middle of the hole tight. Put it over a container of water so that the wick will bring the water up to the other filter. Look what's happened. So you can see all the component colors, which kind of makes it look like an explosion. You can see orange, tan, purple, and a little bit of pink. This is quite interesting, as at first I expected it to be more than blue as well. This process is called paper chromatography, splitting colors into the component colors.